Hi clarinets, welcome back. On today's video, we're going to do Accent Book 2, page number 15. Today, we're using our dotted eighth note rhythm pattern, a dotted eighth and 16th. So look at the upper right-hand corner of page 15. In the blue box, it says dotted eighth note. A dotted eighth note receives 3/4 of a beat in 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4 time. Here's a better way of looking at it. Remember what 4/16 notes look like all in a row in a group of 4/16? Well, if we were to take and combine the first 3/16 notes into one big large note, it would be a dotted eighth note. What's left over? Well, that single 16th note. So a dotted eighth and 16th really comes back to 4/16 notes with the first three grouped together in one large note. The other thing on this page is the alternate F sharp. It's right in the center of the top of the page. And the alternate F sharp is the fingering for F, but our third finger uses this short little key right by the E key. And when we do that with those two fingers on our right hand, it produces the same F sharp as if we were just using our second finger. We'll use that later on in our page, and you'll see where it comes in handy. Let's get started by playing number 50. It's the dotted eighths exercise right at the top of the page, and it's got B flats and E flats. We're going to play it twice. 1, 2, first time, go. And let's do it a second time, watching out for your E flat notes. 1, 2, ready, go. Number 51 is the bridal chorus, written by Wagner from the opera Lohengrin. This melody you may recognize, or someone who's listening to you may recognize as you play. 1, 2, ready, go. Remember that you can pause and practice that one and then rewind and review if you need to and if you need more help or practice. Number 52 is a song written by Franz Schubert. It's called the Unfinished Symphony because Franz Schubert died in the middle of writing it. He had a really dedicated student that decided to honor him and finish it. So this piece is finished, but it's the Unfinished Symphony. Notice in line 2, we are asked to use the alternate F sharp. The note right before is F, so just adding a finger is very convenient. Check it out and try it. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, begin. That fingering is useful because you don't have to lift the first finger and put the second one down. You just need to add the second. There's less motion involved in the key change. Our last exercise is number 53, Italian Street Song. This song uses all of the notes of the concert B-flat scale, or for clarinets, all of the notes of our C scale. 1 and 2 and 1 E and a 2 and 1, 2, here we go. How did you do on the Italian street song? That one's a fun one to play, and if you need to, you can play it slower or faster depending on your ability. The last exercise requires a pencil. It's the accent on theory, and it's a major scale construction. Notice the way the F scale in number 54 is written using half steps and whole steps. It's a pattern. Use a pencil and start on the note D, and use the same whole steps and half steps pattern to write out your D major scale. Then play it with your clarinet and see if it sounds correct. Make some revisions if you need to. And until I see you next time, keep practicing.